definitely, you know, there's a after and there's the before. Before, after. Not bad. Still got a white spot. Might have to put some new pots there, but well, here we are on another one. We're gonna clean up this front porch right here. Get rid of these old brick pot marks. Some old water stains. They want to match this to their new concrete with a little sand finish. It's going to be real nice, a real like a salt and pepper finish, but we're going to try to clean all this up here. Blow those snails off of there and make this thing look presentable. Then they're going to pour their new walkway out here, new steps, hopefully give it a nice finish to match this front porch. So let's go turn it on. Well, there's the first little run till I ran out of sand. Had about a half a pot left. So anyways, we got to trim along that edge still there. I'll get my protection out. Got this here. Trusty piece of diamond plate on a stick. There's another one over there, but coming out pretty good. This is where that pot was. You can see that the water that was used to water the plant has just deteriorated the concrete there. That's why that spot looks like that. So, but anyways, I think it's coming out nice. I mean, definitely, you know, there's a after and there's the before. Before, after. Not bad. Still got a white spot. Might have to put some new pots there, but it's gonna look nice. Let's go throw some more sand in. Well, this is not my truck. Actually, it is now. I had to buy a new truck yesterday. Wow, these things aren't cheap. Thank God I'm retiring soon. I'll be able to pay that payment with that Social Security. Anyways, there we are. I love it. These guys take off and leave me alone on the job, you know? I love these afternoon jobs, second job of the day. Just making these homeowners' front porch look real nice. So we're gonna do another run. Here all by myself. I love it. All right, turn it on. Let's go. All right, there's round two. You still got this edge here to trim all the way down. That's my buddy's company. Anyways, got that edge to trim. Got this last little square, but this sand's too thick. You don't want to blow that everywhere. It's dusty as heck. So I'm gonna go grab the broom. That up. Alright, got her all swept out. That's about all we need. I'm not worried about that in there, that'll blow away. So let's fire this thing up and finish up that little square. Alright. That's how hot it is. Look at that. Got her done. Now we got to clean up the sand. Christine ain't here today, so I threw up the plastic the way I do, all sloppy. Tacked it on there. It works. Let's get the blower, clean up this sand, and see what the finished product looks like. I think it looks pretty darn good, man. I mean, look at that. That's a great finish. In my opinion, that's a great finish. For not planning it for just pouring concrete. When they do these houses, they probably poured 20 of these front entries. So I think it looks pretty good. Whoa, almost went down on that sprinkler right there. I need a second camera so we can get that kind of good footage. Anyways, let's clean this up, and the next shot will be the finished product, and we're out of here. There's the end result. Looks pretty nice, if you ask me. But hey, I'm biased. Actually, I'm not. You know what? If it looked ugly, I would tell you. I think it looks fresh and new. Looks nice. Yeah, the potted plant's there. Nothing you can do about that. But as far as the finish goes, look at that. Great finish. Non-skid. Lasts forever. Pretty nice. Usually the bad spot's right in front of the front door. It's like a Milwaukee commercial. So, looks good. But they want to do their backyard, so all this they're tearing out. So I got set up over here. Yeah, we got sand and dust in the new rig, that's for sure. Look at the sand on the hood. You can see it from here. We'll have that thing dusted out and full of dirt in no time. Making trucks great all over America, filling them full of sand. Here's this bad finish. Look at this. You can see that. We're gonna do a little sample right there. They got some of these real heavy areas from the water stains. You know, it's not gonna be perfect, but hey, it's gonna look better than that for sure. So let's do a little sample, see what it looks like. I'm gonna turn that thing on. Well, we did a little sample piece. Wish that thing wasn't running. So you can see where we cleaned it up here. Made it a lot wider, a little more uniform. Tried to even it out as best we can. Looks pretty good. And there's the old, so that was neat. There you go. Got it looking good. We're all done. We're out of here. Trying to get paid. Doggone Square decided to do an update, or my phone. Anyways, we'll get it over the phone. It was a good one. They're really happy. I'm stoked that they're stoked. Anyways, we're done here. Close it up. Check out this. Look at this. Okay, who's guessing how long that's gonna last? I give it about a week. So, and it won't be working anymore. There it is. The first grab on the silver truck. Got to get some logos on here. Thanks for watching, guys.